Today, we're diving deep into the world of 36-volt golf cart batteries, bringing you our best picks for 2025. Whether you're upgrading your ride or building a custom cart, choosing the right battery is critical. In this video, we'll review the top 7 batteries based on consumer consensus, performance metrics, durability, and ease of installation. We'll cover everything from advanced battery management systems to lightweight designs and robust warranties. So if you want to boost your cart's performance and extend its range, stay tuned. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. In first place, we have the Vitra Power 36 volts, 105 amp hours lithium iron phosphate battery. Cranking it up a notch, Vitra Power offers a 105 amp hour battery with a serious 200 amp continuous BMS, and it can handle 400 amps for 35 seconds or 600 amps for short bursts. That's enough juice for the steepest hills or heaviest carts. With over 4,000 charge cycles, this pack is built to last. The extra 5 amp hours gives you roughly 200 watt-hours more capacity, which could translate into an extra mile or two on the course. Cons: it's priced at a premium, so if you're just doing light neighborhood driving, you might not fully leverage that extra power. Consider whether you really need the bump from 100 amp hours to 105 amp hours before you splurge. At number 2, we have the Losi 36-volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery steps into the ring with grade A automotive cells, ensuring you're getting high-quality internal components built for endurance. At its core, the built-in 100 amp battery management system plays watchdog, protecting against overcharging, over-discharging, overheating, and short circuits. That kind of internal defense system adds a layer of reliability you don't often see at this price point. Losi even includes a 25 amp charger, which means less time waiting and more time rolling. Users will love the fact that this battery is built to last. We're talking over 4,000 deep discharge cycles, so even if you fully drain and recharge it every day, it could keep going strong for 10+ years. Users often report consistent voltage output, even under load, which translates into smoother acceleration and better overall cart performance. It's not just powerful, it's predictable, and that's gold when you're trying to avoid breakdowns. Cons: the 100 amp BMS does a great job for most use cases, but if you're planning to run powerful upgrades like high-torque motors, large sound systems, or frequent hill climbing, that max output can become a bottleneck. It's also worth noting that if you're upgrading from a lead-acid setup, you'll need to switch out your charger. This battery needs a lithium iron phosphate compatible charger to operate properly and safely. Charging into third place is the Chin's 36-volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. The Chin's battery delivers solid 100 amp hour performance in a surprisingly compact and lightweight form. It's a great fit for golf carts that are tight on space or weight capacity. One standout feature is its Bluetooth monitoring system. Users will love the fact that this is one of the lightest batteries in its class. Its fast charging capability means less downtime between rides. Cons: because of its more compact shape, standard battery mounts might not fit snugly, which means you may need to create or purchase custom mounts or securing straps to ensure a safe fit. Taking the fourth spotlight, we have the DC House 36-volt 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. DC House brings a 150 amp BMS to the table, complete with 6 safety protections: overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, short circuit, temperature, and reverse polarity. It's one of the few batteries in this lineup that's built for multiple applications beyond just golf carts. Cons: there's no on-off switch, so power management can be a bit inconvenient, and the lug screws are on the short side. If you've got thicker gauge cable, you may need to fish for a snug connection. Charging its way into number 5, we have the Cloud Energy 36-volt lithium golf cart battery. Cloud Energy has earned a solid reputation for producing high-performance batteries tailored to golf carts. Their CL36-105GS model is engineered for consistent power output and rapid charging, featuring quick charging cells which help to reduce downtime between rounds. It offers an estimated range of 30 to 40 miles per charge and is ideal for extended use, while still managing to provide stable and consistent performance even under demanding conditions. A notable drawback is its premium pricing compared to budget-friendly models. Cloud Energy is a favorite for those who need dependable power and quick turnaround times between rounds on the course. And for our penultimate pick, we have the SourcePow 36-volt 105 amp-hour lithium-ion phosphate battery. SourcePow offers a 105 amp-hour pack with a 200 amp BMS, but its standout feature is versatility. This one's marketed not only for golf carts, but trolling motors, RVs, home energy storage, marine applications, you name it. The multi-use flexibility means you can repurpose the battery down the line. Think backup power or off-grid projects. Plus, it comes with a 5-year free warranty and lifetime tech support. Cons: SourcePow is less known in the golf cart world, so user reviews are thinner on the ground. If you like being part of a large, active community, you might feel a bit isolated. Finally, we have the OGRPHY 36-volt lithium battery, designed for high-performance golf carts. This battery stands out with its high discharge capability, making it ideal for setups that push the limits of power. It delivers up to 3.84 kilowatt-hours of energy and supports a maximum continuous discharge current of 200 amps, with peak currents reaching 1,000 amps for short bursts. It is a highly efficient battery, designed for applications where every amp counts, making it a great choice for golf carts equipped with overkill motor and controller combos, as well as other performance upgrades. Cons: honestly, this might actually just be overkill for standard golf cart users. It is best for those with performance-oriented modifications. Its high-performance nature doesn't come cheap. Get ready to spend for that much power if you really think you need it. No matter your needs, whether you prioritize ease of installation, extended range, or high discharge performance, there's a 36-volt lithium battery on this list that's right for you. Make sure to compare specifications, read consumer reviews, and consider your golf cart's unique requirements before making your purchase. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions or comments below. Stay powered up and enjoy the game. See you next time.